It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS.
Why do you think the bookkeeping business took off so quickly? It almost seemed as though it was announced, hey, yeah, we do bookkeeping. And by the way, you've now got hundreds and hundreds of clients that you do bookkeeping for.
Yeah. Why did
it just went like, not like an airplane taking off. It went like a rocket ship going to the moon. Must be all the salespeople you hired.
Yeah. It's all those salespeople. They're the ones behind the bar. Part of it has to be that industry-wide, nobody's trying to do their own bookkeeping. A few people do, but it's an annoying task to have to do. So I think that's part of it. And at the same time, a lot of small business, like our industries are getting much savvier compared to where they were a decade ago, 2 decades ago. And I still hear and see on, social media, I'm just not a math person and stuff like that. I think small business owners are realizing you don't have a choice. You cannot be a math person, but every decision you make in your business is a math decision, whether it's, do I hire this person? How much do I pay him? How much should I pay for rent for this thing? Should I do more of this and less of that? Literally every decision that you make is purely a numbers-based decision if you're the business owner. And so even your employee engagement decisions, you're making those decisions based on, you want to have an awesome culture, because an awesome culture means less turnover, which is a number, and higher margins, which is a number, right? So at the end of the day, everything's a math problem. And I think as our industries get savvier, bookkeeping isn't a thing that you maybe could do. It's a thing that you probably should do now. So I think our timing was great in that nobody wants to do it, and people are realizing they should be doing it. They still don't have to do it. You can turn bank statements to your CPA and they can still get your taxes done. And I'll say the third thing that I think is unique to us that I think the industry is taking off, and that's part of what drove us really fast. The unique thing that makes us special, if you will, is that we own and operate these same types of businesses. And generally, bookkeepers and accountants don't run home service companies, and they don't know how to. And we've made all the damn mistakes out there. We got a few $1 million of revenue of these home service companies. So we've made a hell of a lot of mistakes, and we've got these companies in different markets. So we understand marketing and recruiting and infrastructure spend. And we've made a bunch of mistakes doing it along the way, which makes us a really useful financial advocate to have for a small business. And it gives us, and plug for our website here, this is a free resource, but it gives us the intel on exactly how much we should spend on all of these different things. So whereas a normal bookkeeper and accountant is just keeping track of stuff for you, and it tends to be a tax activity, like keep track of this stuff so we can pay our taxes at the end of the year. When we do bookkeeping, because we know how much we need to spend or should spend or shouldn't spend on any of these different line items in our P&L, we can organize it in a way that helps us make better decisions, and we can inform our clients of how much they should spend on that thing. So on our website, yourblueskies.com, we have target budget templates out there for lawn care and landscaping and junk removal and window cleaning and maid service and carpet cleaning, any home service industry. I still got to get the landscape lighting one out there. # Ryan Lee. Where's my guy Ryan at? Ryan and I were supposed to connect in Louisville. And we did. And then we just never got the damn spreadsheet done. But we have these templates built that tell an operator exactly how much to spend on every single line item, because we understand the business model. We understand how they make their money. And as a bookkeeper, that makes us super unique, because no other bookkeepers are running these businesses. At least I don't know any, because if you like accounting, you're a weirdo, me. And if you run a home service business, you generally don't like accounting. And I'm maybe the one person out there that does. So puts us in a unique spot. That's the differentiator for us.
Well, I don't like your answer. I think Ryan Lee summed it up when he said, because Dan's a badass, in comments on the Facebook group. That's probably a better answer.